Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video we're gonna talk about how to create a bootable Windows 10 flash drive. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna take your flash drive and plug it into your computer. I don't have a flash drive right now, but I'm gonna show you all the steps which you need and what buttons to press and anything, and it's very easy, not really complicated. I'm gonna get you through it. So the first thing you're gonna do, as I said, is you're gonna go and plug in your flash drive into your computer. After that, we are going to go to Rufus, click enter. So Rufus create bootable USB drives the easy way. You're gonna click on download here, or maybe not that. You're gonna click on here, cancel that, and it's gonna install Rufus. So I'm gonna show you the settings on Rufus that you need to use. Basically, you're gonna go to Rufus, click on that. So on the device menu, you're gonna select your USB device. On the boot selection menu, you're gonna click on select, and you're gonna basically select the ISO file of your Windows 10. You're gonna click on open, and after that, you're gonna get a partition scheme. It's gonna be either GBT or MBR. Anything else you don't touch. So the partition scheme, if your laptop or computer is very old, you're gonna click on GBT. If it's new, you're gonna go with MBR. And that's it. You just select your ISO, you click on MBR or GBT, and after that, you're gonna just click on start. You're gonna wait for it to finish, and after it's finished, you have a bootable Windows 10 flash drive with which you can install a Windows, or you can do anything you want. You can reinstall the Windows, you can fix your operating system, anything. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.